There is a quote by George Bernard Shaw that says, "People are always blaming their circumstances for what they are." I don't believe in circumstances. The people who get on in this world are the ones who get up and look for the circumstances they want, and if they can't find them, make them. And that, for me, my friends, is self-determination. Having a mindset that you believe you are responsible of achieving your goals and overcoming challenges, and having made the decision that no matter what happens, you will insist and persist in succeeding in what you want. But how is self-determination useful in practice? How do you use it as a tool for your success? I'm Valentina Cordi, your mindset and high-performance coach, helping you unleash your best and most confident professional self so that you reach your highest professional goals. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what highly self-determined people do that leads them to success that you can take and implement accordingly to achieve your own goals. For this reason, stay tuned! According to the theory of self-determination developed back in 1985 by professors Edward Deci and Richard Ryan, people are able to become self-determined when their needs for competence, connection, and autonomy are fulfilled. Thus, self-determination is mostly connected with intrinsic motivation and how people feel about certain circumstances and things. That means that if you want to be highly self-determined and succeed in your own goals, all you have to do is drive yourself to find how to fulfill those needs in the best way, like all those people with a success mindset do. And here's how to do it in practice. Believe that you have control over your own goals and results. Instead of focusing on external factors that might motivate you to do your best and influence positively the outcomes of your effort, focus on your internal locus of control on what depends on you to make it happen. Understand that your behavior will have an influence on outcomes. When confronted with challenges, depend on yourself to make good choices, work hard, and stay resilient. Have high self-motivation. Don't rely on external rewards or on avoiding unpleasant consequences to motivate you to take action. Don't use an "if this happens, then I'll feel motivated to work on my goal" reasoning. Rely on how you want to feel and how your goal is connected with feeling competent, connected with others, or autonomous, for example, and let this drive you to do whatever it takes to get into this emotional state. Choose your behaviors and actions consciously. Intentionally engage in actions that you know will bring you closer to your goals, and don't let yourself be carried away by choices that actually move you away from them. Take responsibility for your behavior. Highly self-determined people take credit for their success, but they also take responsibility for their failures. They are honest enough with themselves to admit they've made a bad choice, they learn from it, and they focus then on what needs to be done to move forward. If you liked this video, hit the like button below, share it with your connections, leave your comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one.